your estate to real estate. It's Money Matters with Dino.
Let's assume the worst happens and you die.
Okay.
Probate, right? That's
yes.
Right. If you don't have an estate plan, probate is what happens. And that's when it goes to the court system and then everything gets divvied out that way. How much does probate actually cost?
Well, probate basically is the process of the court supervising the distribution of assets. In California, the way to avoid probate is to have a living trust. It can be revocable or irrevocable, but you need to have some kind of trust to avoid probate. A will won't avoid probate, just only a trust will.
A quick question on the will piece. I know I hear it a lot, but you as an estate planning attorney, do people go in there just thinking if they have a will that they're covered?
A lot of people do, actually, yeah. And a lot of people think that they can avoid probate by having a will because, well, I've got this will, it says what goes where, why do I need the court to supervise it? Well, unfortunately, because of the way that a will works, the will has to be supervised by the court. You have to have an executor appointed by the court, and it's quite a lengthy process, can take 6 months to a couple of years. It costs $2,000 to $3,000 just to file the probate, pay the bond, publish in the paper that a probate's being filed. And then on top of that, whatever your estate's worth, you can have about approximately 6% of your entire estate goes to attorney's fees, executor fees, and court fees.
Got it.
So it can be quite costly if you have a $1 million estate. If you're leaving a house worth $700,000 and $300,000 in other assets, $1 million can be $60,000, $65,000. It can cost your heirs to go through probate.